Guys, welcome back. This is Marlena Dula, Tikal Bisaya. Guys, this is now the new laboratory ongoing the repair, but it's look nice now. Okay, there's nothing yet except the small cabinet inside. Okay. Before it was just not tiles, but now it's a shiny tile with a very nice tiled floor. Unfinished, guys, but it looks very good now. It's look very not yet clean for this time, but it looks clean. The wall. Very nice. Just only less than a week for now. Now it's the 6th day they work. The floor, they remove the things on the wall. Can you imagine? Very fast. Still fixing the all. It's nice. It's gonna be nice. This is the comfort room. The male comfort room, but it's not yet using because still the repair ongoing, but it looks very nice, guys. That's all for today. Thank you. I'm going to give you more video on the coming when it will be already done, all everything, nothing, okay, will be here. Thank you, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, paki-bell all, guys, para sa inyong notification. Okay, mga lalabs, thank you so much. Mahal ko kayo.